Kors Stretch Factor MK Low-Rise Briefs. Underwear for men. And this is the camo print, which is ooh la la. You have the logo, the MK logo, right up on top, and it goes all the way around the waist. And it has the contour pouch, no opening. And it's pretty stretchy. So there you are. This is the Michael Kors Stretch Factor MK Low-Rise Brief. And here's the box for it. And this one has a 3-pack. It has a stretch factor. They come in small, medium, large, extra large. The small is 28 to 30. Medium is 32 to 34. Large is 36 to 38. And extra large is 40 to 42. Okay, and these are the low-cut, stretch, breathable, low-rise briefs. Have a great day. Michael Kors 3-pack low-rise briefs. Signature detailing accents a low-rise brief waistband, bringing a fashionable flair to this 3-pack in comfy cotton blend. By Michael Kors. They're imported. There's 3 pairs in 1 box. They come with the MK logo on the waistband. They are a low rise, a cotton blend, and machine washable. They come in small, medium, large, and extra large. The small goes from 28 to 30. The medium is 32 to 34. Large is 36 to 38. And extra large to 40 to 42.